Good morning amigos, today we are going to learn all about strawberries. First of all, let's start with the basics. The scientific name for the strawberry plant is Fragaria x ananassa. This name is derived from the Latin word fraga, meaning fragrant, and the Greek word ananassa, meaning pineapple, which is a reference to the sweet and fruity aroma of the strawberry. It is important to know the proper name of things in order to understand their properties and characteristics more efficiently. Now, I bet you might be wondering, are strawberries really a fruit? Well, I'm here to tell you that the answer is yes. Strawberries are classified as a fruit because they contain the seeds of the plant within the fleshy part of the fruit. They are also a type of aggregate fruit, which means that the fruit is formed unlike a simple fruit which is formed from a single ovary. Strawberries are a warm weather plant that thrives in well-drained, fertile soil in full sun. They grow best in temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, although they can tolerate temperatures as low as 35 degrees Fahrenheit. However, they cannot handle frost and extreme heat, and they need a moderate amount of water to maintain optimal growth. So, if you're thinking about planting some strawberries in your backyard, make sure you put them in a sunny spot, with well-drained soil and moderate watering. I bet you didn't know that strawberries are also a perennial fruit. This means that they come back year after year. The strawberry plant is a low-growing herbaceous plant that typically grows to 6 to 8 inches in height, and spreads to about 18 to 24 inches wide. The strawberry plant has a rosette of leaves at the base of the plant, which produces runners, or stolons, that develop into new plants. And these new plants will also produce runners, and this process continues, creating a whole patch of strawberries. Pretty cool, right? But, it is important to note that strawberries do not come back after they have been picked, so it is essential to take care of your strawberry patch and pick them at the right time to ensure a continuous harvest. Now, let's talk about strawberry seeds. Have you ever looked at the surface of a strawberry and noticed little brown dots? Those are seeds. An average strawberry has about 200 seeds on its surface, which are arranged in a pattern resembling a spiral. These seeds are small and hard, about the size of a grain of salt, and they are embedded in the flesh of the strawberry. The seeds are not only an important part of the strawberry, but they are also the source of the genetic material that will give rise to the next generation of strawberry plants. But, strawberries aren't just good for their seeds, they're also good for our health. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps to keep our immune system strong, and also contains other essential vitamins such as vitamin B6, vitamin K, and vitamin E. In addition, strawberries are also rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and flavonoids, which help to protect our cells against damage caused by free radicals, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease and diabetes. Have you ever wondered what gives strawberries their red color? The red color of strawberries is caused by the presence of anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid antioxidant. Flavonoids are a large family of compounds that are responsible for the vivid colors of many fruits and vegetables, including red, blue, and purple. Anthocyanins are particularly abundant in strawberries, giving them their characteristic deep red color. These pigments are not only responsible for the color of the strawberry, but they also play an important role in the plant's overall health by protecting it from environmental stress and disease. Strawberries aren't just good to eat on their own, they can also be used in a variety of ways in cooking and baking. People often use strawberries to make jams or preserves, and they can also be used to make delicious desserts such as strawberry shortcake, strawberry ice cream, and strawberry pie. Strawberries can also be used to make delicious drinks, such as strawberry smoothies, or added to salads for a refreshing touch of sweetness. If you're ever feeling adventurous in the kitchen, try using strawberries in a recipe, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Finally, you might be wondering when strawberries are in season. In the United States, strawberries typically ripen in May and June, depending on the region and weather conditions. These are the months when they are the freshest and have the best flavor. Fresh strawberries have a deep red color, with a shiny and plump appearance. They are firm to the touch and have a fragrant aroma. You can tell if a strawberry is ripe by gently squeezing it. If it is soft or has mushy spots, it is overripe and not ideal for eating. In conclusion, strawberries are not only a delicious and nutritious fruit, but they also have a fascinating biology, history, and cultural significance. Understanding the biology of strawberries, from their botanical characteristics to their nutritional value, is crucial to be able to appreciate the fruit in a whole new level. And with all that new information, I hope that you all have a very good day. What are your thoughts about strawberries and what you just learned? Please write a comment below and share. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Amigos for more plant content.